everyone there. If you're new to my channel, I make haul videos, I make a DIY cookery recipes, beauty videos, etc. and so on. So stay in touch with me and subscribe to my channel to see more good videos like this. And today's video is going to be about a homemade rosewater toner. So I prefer natural ones, so I have chosen this. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you are using some other toner, you can leave that in the comment section below. I would like to know that too. So let's get started. I usually use this toner, so I want to share this recipe with you guys too, so I have made this video. Rosewater has lots of benefits, lots of benefits. So let me share some of them with you. It maintains your skin's pH balance levels, and it's good for your pores. It's going to nicely clean your pores and tone your skin well. And it has anti-inflammatory properties, that's why it's going to reduce all the redness of your skin. It has a rich content of antioxidant. It's going to reduce your acne up to a great extent. Most of us are aware of the importance of the CTM. What's that? CTM, that's nothing but cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So we always do cleansing, but we skip this toning. That's why we end up acne and everything. So toning makes most crucial part in skincare routine. So do not skip toning. Toning is going to help remove all your dirt, oil, extra particles from your face. So do not skip toning, and it's going to be a great food to your skin, and it's going to reduce your puffiness, your sunburns. It has no side effects because I'm going to make it at home. It is also going to refresh your skin, and you can also use it as a makeup setting spray too. So let's get started.
So these are the rose flowers. I've removed the petals from stems and run them under lukewarm water to remove any residues. I have taken a bunch of flowers. Now I'm going to transfer all these flowers into this saucepan. I'm going to top it up with 2 glasses of water and put it on the flame. Over medium to low heat, bring the water to simmer and cover it. Let it be in simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until petals have lost its color and turned pale pink. Let us now remove the plate and check whether it's done. If you can see, it's losing its color now. It has turned into nice pale pink color. It is almost done. It has boiled nicely. So I'm going to switch off the flame now. It has got this nice tinted rose color. The fragrance is also so heavenly, and it's ready now. I'm going to rest it for a while and let the rose water to cool down, and then we'll strain it. It is cooled down completely now, so I'm going to strain it using a strainer. I'm going to apply this rose water on my face. You can see my face glowing after applying this homemade natural rose water. It is so effective, right?
Hope you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.